Hey guys, Jeremy here with Touch of Class Creations. Just going to do a quick video today on time and temperature for sublimating with glitter heat transfer vinyl. I see a lot of people asking questions exactly how it's done. They're not sure on the exact pressing techniques, time, temperature, whatever. So I'm going to be working on an order later this week. I might do a more in-depth video on that, but for now I'm just test pressing some images on a shirt right now, so I figured let me just do a quick video on the time and temperature for pressing. So two things. Just when you do that, cut your vinyl and your image the same size, or even if you want your image to be slightly larger, that way when you actually place it on the vinyl, you don't end up with any extra spots that you missed with your image. So either way, then of course you're going to just pre-press your image for 2 or 3 seconds, get all the moisture out of that. So we'll just do that real quick. We're gonna go at, you're gonna do it at normal sublimating temperature. So you're gonna do, you do your pre-press. I do 395 for 60 seconds generally when I sublimate, sometimes 385. Anywhere between 385 and 400, you're probably good. I've even sublimated some stuff at 350 or 325 if it's lighter temperature. But anyways, so we're gonna do quick 2-3 seconds at this, and we're gonna do light pressure, light to medium pressure, but pretty light for this I do. So you pre-press your shirt for the couple seconds. You're going to take your glitter vinyl, your heat transfer vinyl. You're gonna set it up how you want. If you have to do it off the heat press and then move it back over or whatever, that's fine. But you know, to make sure you got your image set where you need it. I'm just doing test on this shirt. You see I did one right here, so I'm just doing a test, so it doesn't really matter to me. This is just a shirt I use for testing different things. So press your glitter vinyl on, go ahead and cover it, and you're gonna literally only do it for about 2 seconds. All you want it to do is be hot enough to start to stick to the material for you to pull off the back sticker sheet, the glossy part, and then put the sublimated image on. So we're gonna go ahead and do this for about 2 seconds at 400 degrees, or 395 I'm doing it, but 2-3 seconds maximum. When I did this the other day, I had a little more pressure on here. I decided to lighten up the pressure a little bit, so if it doesn't peel, that'll be why, but I don't think there's any reason why it wouldn't. Yep, see? A couple seconds is perfect enough to keep your glitter to stay. If you're doing for a customer or something, you probably want to lint roll your shirt too first. But in this case, once again, this is a tester shirt. So when you pull your transfer off, just make sure you pull your shirt back down. It may have lifted it up a little bit. So you got that set. I'm going to take my image, get it lined up on here. If you want to heat tape it to be sure it doesn't move, you can. I try not to, just because I don't want to take any risk of my paper sticking or anything like that. So I generally can line up the image pretty well. In this case, I think that's good. Just the main thing you want to make sure is it doesn't slide at all. So I'm going to make sure I have it, double make sure. Hold my hand up carefully. And my sheet on nice slowly. You can even look through your sheet and make sure you didn't really come off, and I can tell I'm good. And we're gonna do our normal time, 60 seconds at 400 or 395. I always get worried it slides, so I'm just double checking. It's a tester shirt, so in this case it doesn't really matter if it does, but still, I'm pretty particular, so I just like to be sure. So here we go, 60 seconds. All right, guys, 60 seconds. Image is done. Press is done, I should say. Once you press it, remember, always get rid of your paper after. I don't know if you can see through here, but your ink gets spread onto that parchment paper. So when you're done with one press, it's done. Now, it's hot, guys, so be careful. There's my paper. Just in case you guys are wondering, I use Text Print R desktop sublimation paper for Rico and Virtuoso. I'm sure you could use this with most sublimation printers. I have a Sawgrass, which was made by Rico, so, or in the Rico family. It used to be called Rico, now it's our Sawgrass. But I haven't had a problem with it sticking. You can see there. I initially tried this with the black and the white background. Didn't really like it. Now I did it with the black background, but that gray, I'm not too sure. That's why I'm doing test prints, because I'm doing this for a custom sublimation with glitter heat transfer vinyl. Guys, remember, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start bringing videos weekly, try to bring multiple videos weekly if I can. And like the videos if you like them. I have templates available for some of my other stuff, and we're gonna start loading the Etsy store with stuff, so check out our Etsy store. Check us out on TikTok now, Touch of Class Creations, also Instagram, Touch of Class Creations, of course on YouTube, Touch of Class Creations, and Etsy, Touch O Class Creations, not Touch of, Touch O. Stay tuned, guys. Stick around. Let me know if you want to see a video later this week on doing a full sublimation when I'm making the actual shirts for the guy. Maybe I'll throw together a whole tutorial video on sublimating with heat transfer vinyl, glitter heat transfer vinyl. So hope you guys like the video. Remember, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching.